Hello and welcome. In this video, we're gonna see how to mount our storage. So for that, we need to first check which file system is there right now here. So for that, we will click on file, we will run file s command and the location of our storage. So that is every volumes are under dev in the Linux operating system. Inside dev, we have the name of the volume, that is xvdf. So we will write xvdf. Let's see. Okay, no read permission, so we need to write sudo. Now one trick here, we can either just write a sudo and write that whole file as command, or we can just use double exclamation, so it will automatically attach our sudo to the previous command and run it. All right, so data here, that means that we need to format this first. So let's format this. So we will use an mkfs file system to format it, mkfs, and we will use the 64. This is the command to format in a mkfs file system. If you have the instance that is in Windows or some other machines, you will have to check which file system is running. Okay, if you want, I can also create an Amazon Linux, and there the file system is different. So you can also use Google and you can use ChatGPT to convert these commands to that specific operating system. Okay, mkfs ext4 and the location of our file, that is inside the dev, and inside the name is xvdf. xvdf. All right. Permission denied. We will write sudo double exclamation. All right, that is happened. Let's just, instead of writing sudo every time, let's just log in as a root, sudo I, and we are root now. And now we will have to create a directory, a folder in which our volume will be mounted. So let's use mkdir file, and we will use a test here. All right, now we will need to mount that. So mount and the location, so dev xvdf, and the name of our folder, that is test. All right, it is mounted. So now to verify if it is mounted, we will use a command that is called as the mount point and test. Let's see, test is the mount point. So we have successfully mounted our volume to our EC2 instance. Also, we can cd into this and we can see what's in there. Nothing is in there. We can also use some touch command to just make some files if we want. So it is working right now. If you want to unmount this, or if in the layman terms, if you need to eject that pen drive, you will use an unmount command. But for that, you need to first get out of this directory, and then you need to use unmount, and then the same thing, the location of the file, that is dev xvdf, and you need to use the command that is unmount and the name of the folder, that is test. All right, umount, it is the, I misspelled that, umount is the command. All right, umount test, and it happens. Now and it happens. Now if we try to cd into that test to verify if umount happened, and we ls, so nothing is there, so it is successfully unmounted. Okay, so thanks for watching. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.